students. Today in this video lecture we are going to discuss about the methods of collection of primary data. As we know that the data collected by the investigator for his own purpose for the first time from the beginning to end, that means he is collecting also and he is utilizing the particular data, that is called the primary data. Now what are the methods how we can collect the primary? There you can see the various methods of primary data, that is direct personal investigation, indirect oral investigation, information from local correspondents, questionnaire method. In questionnaire method there are two methods, mailing method and enumerators method, and telephonic interview. Now first we will see the direct personal investigation. What is direct personal investigation or uh, direct personal interview? The direct personal investigation is a method in which the data is directly collected from the informant. The investigator go personally and ask the particular or collect the information from the informants. For example, if I have to collect the data about the all the teachers detail, I have to collect and research about the temperament of the teacher. So what I will do, I will go and ask about the particular teacher. I will talk to every teacher to find out the temperament and all. So that is what, that is one of the example I have given of direct investigation. Then next we can see one example, it is written over here, that interviewing the students of the school about their personal pocket expenses. Or if I want to ask about the teaching methodology of different teachers, so what I will do, I will ask each and every student about that methodology and give the suggestions, and whatever things are being required for them essential, that I will ask. So that is I will use the direct personal interview method or direct personal investigation method. This type of method is utilized where the area is inquiry is very limited and the maximum degree of accuracy is needed. That means we cannot have a fault in the data, and where it is very much needed to have a direct contact with the informants. So data are required to be original. That is our target. Indirect oral investigation. Indirect oral investigation means where the data is not collected by the informants, but the investigator collect or go for the information collection from the people who possess more information than the others. For example, if I want to ask about the class problems, anybody, so if the teacher is not there, what was the problem regarding the classes? So I will call the monitor. And if about the class performance, it is to be asked by the principal, so he will call the class teacher, not the students, all the students, because I carry or the class teacher carry about more information about the classes. So that is, and one more example we can take over here. If anywhere the murder is being done, so that the eyewitness is being interviewed by the police, by the cops. So where the person who is giving the information, possessing the more information, called the witness. So that from that witness we are asking. Here one more example is given, that to know about grievances of the workers, one may talk to their trade union leader. So trade union leader is the representative of the group. So here we will talk about the or collect the information about the third person, not to directly from the informants. So this type of investigation is required where the inquiry area is very large. We cannot investigate each and every person, and the direct contact is not very much important with the informants. But if we can collect the data from the third person, then it is very good. And where the inquiry is very complex in nature, and the expert is being utilized to get out the information, to take out or extract the information. Or the, if for example, one more example we can take, if the about the school and about the academics, it is to be asked. So if this information of all the classes, whatever the performance is, it is collected from the principal or the academic coordinator who represents the particular school. This difference we can see, the coverage area and direct personal interview is less. Small area, a larger area in indirect oral investigation. Direct personal interview original in nature, indirect oral investigation lack in originality. Then cost over here is in terms of indirect oral investigation, the direct personal interview is more costlier, and but it is also reliable, the data is more reliable as compared to indirect oral investigation. Next, what we will see, information from the local correspondents. So, in information from local correspondents method, what is being there, that here the local persons are being appointed there in the local area to collect the information of that particular area. So by this we can cover the larger area, and they are well trained to collect the information. Generally this type of method is utilized by the newspaper agencies, news channels, or the government also sometimes utilize this, that they appoint the local person to estimate about the crops, whatever the crops are being produced in a particular area. So this is all what the information from the local correspondents, and these correspondents are being trained properly. For example, whatever is being and whatever is being going on in the city, the reporters, that we what we call the news agencies, local person or local correspondent, that we call reporters. These reporters on a continuous basis report to the particular news agencies about the events, thefts and accidents. So the continuous data when it is required, then we use the local correspondent methods, where we can utilize the large area. We can use the large area where inquiry of area is very large, and accuracy of data is not very much important, but the regular and continuous data is required. Next, what we will see, information through questionnaires and schedules, or we can say questionnaire method. Questionnaire method is having two types of method: mailing method and enumerators method. So here we prepare a questionnaire set of questions. Questionnaire is a set of questions designed in a logical manner to get the statistical information from the particular informants. So here when we mail that questionnaire to the informants through the post or through the email ID, on their email ID. So that is what called mailing method. Enumerators method, in which enumerators method, what is done is that the question is prepared according to the objective of the study, and here the enumerators ask the question from the informants and record that question. So that questionnaire becomes the schedules, that is called schedules, and that is 1 marks question, can be asked in the exam. So enumerators, what they do, where the illiterate or uneducated people are being living, suppose in the villages, so this method is very much useful in that type of area where the people are illiterate. So enumerators method, what they do, they ask the question and record the information in the particular question. Here we can see the suitability of mailing method, where the area in mailing method we can cover a wide area and it is less costly, and when it is original also, but it is only required where the people are literate or educated. But enumerators method are generally utilized for the uneducated people or less educated people, and where the area is also large, we can say. So, and where the study requires skilled investigators, and informants are not very much educated. Understood, I think, the suitability about that. Next, that is telephonic interviews. Now, telephonic interviews is where we need a quick response from the respondents, and in a less time we want to collect more data. In the telephonic interview, the investigators just ask the question on telephone, because if they want to collect the data in a shorter period, what they do, they ask the question in a on the telephone. So this method allows the investigator to assist the respondent by clarifying the questions. There, where yes, sir, you just, for example, generally the insurance companies contact you about the filling up their questionnaires, that which insurance you are going through, what is your professional background, how do you save tax saving, what are the tax saving schemes you are using so that you can save the tax. So like this, these things are being clarifying and asking, where you, the informants also ask the questions and clear out their doubts that about the questionnaire. So this method is suitable when the investigation is to be conducted in a shorter period. And one more thing, the informants should have their own telephone connection, then only this method can be utilized properly. And when the respondent do not want to just give you the answers or directly by the direct personal interview, so we can call the particular person and complete the particular investigation or collect the information. Thank you. Okay, whatever doubts will be there, you can ask in the class.